how to delete blank rows in Microsoft Excel in one go. As you see on the screen, at first launch any Microsoft Excel documents, and here you can see a typed elements and in between blank rows in between the content. If you want to delete this, you can also one by one delete, but we will see here how to delete blank rows in one step. Select this whole and under home tab go to editing section, and here you will find the option find and search icon just under editing section. Find and select. Here go to special. Under go to section, click on go to special, and here choose the option blanks and click on OK. Thereafter right click on this selected path, selected content, right click on it and choose the option delete and choose entire row and click OK. Now you can see all the blank rows will deleted in one step. That's all.